Once again, welcome to Joel.com's Instant AdSense Templates. This is Eric Holmlund, and I'm going to talk you through real quickly how to upload your files to the web server using FTP. Okay, so first of all, you have to have what's called an FTP client. It's just basically a piece of software, and if you don't have one, I'm going to show you a free one you can get real quick. It's called Smart FTP. This is not an advertisement. This is just freeware. We have no affiliation. But if you do need an FTP client, you can go to smartftp.com and then just go ahead and click on download. Okay, and then just choose your version. If you have regular Windows, just choose this one. If you've got 64-bit version, you would choose this one. So most people are probably here with the 32-bit version. Just go ahead and click it, and then click download now. And then you're just going to save this to your computer. You can save it to your desktop if you want, or in your program files, and then just run that file to install the program. Okay, and then once you've installed it, go ahead and open up the program. Again, this is called Smart FTP, and due to the fact that I'm trying to record this on a kind of a smaller video screen here, this is going to look a little cramped, but you can kind of get the idea. So first thing you want to do is, in the address, you're going to type in your domain name. Okay, now depending on your web host, you might have to do something like ftp.domainname.com. But for most web hosts, especially like Linux web hosts and pretty much all the cPanel web hosts out there, all you need to do is type the domain in here by itself. You don't type the HTTP, you don't type the www, just the domain name by itself. Okay, so for this demo, I'm using a domain called world-traveler.info. Okay, next, in the login box, you're going to type your username. And again, this is the username given to you by your web hosting company. Typically, this is the username that you use to log into the control panel. Sometimes they have a separate FTP login. Again, if that's the case, you will have received that information from your web host. Okay, I happen to use HostGator for most of mine, and this works. It's just your regular cPanel username. Okay, for the password, just type in your password, and then you can click this little green arrow to connect. Oops, I connected twice. Okay, and this is going to open up a connection to your website. And like I said, this is really cramped because I'm trying to work on kind of a small screen here. But basically, where you want to put the files is in the public HTML folder. And on some web servers, this could be called www. On cPanel, it's actually got both. But basically, the public HTML directory is where you want to put your files. So I'm going to open up that. Okay, you can see I've already got some various folders and files in here. I'm going to go ahead and create a new folder for the sake of this demo. So in order to do that in Smart FTP, while you're in your public HTML directory, you would right-click and then go to New Folder. And you can name that whatever you want. I'm going to name it Demo. Okay, I'm going to open up that folder, and then this is called the local browser over here. So this is browsing on your own computer, and this is just like browsing in Windows, just like you would normally. You just browse your computer to the location where you have your files. Okay, so you would browse to the location of your templates on your computer, the templates that you've downloaded from us and unzipped already. Then just find the template that you're ready to upload. Hopefully you've already followed our instructions and customized it and made it your own website, added your own content to it. Okay, then you're going to open up that directory. So here's this example that we did in module number 1. I customized the travel insurance website. Okay, and I'm going to open up the site folder where all the files are stored, and we're going to select all of these. You can do a Control-A to select all, or you can use the Shift key and scroll down or select whatever you want to select. But Control A, select all the files. This selects all the HTML files. We're selecting the image directory and the style, the CSS style sheet, all those files. And all we're going to do is drag and drop. Okay, this is just like doing something in Windows. Okay, so just going to drag them over here. And this is that demo folder that we just created on the web server. And I'm just going to let go of the mouse button right now and drop it into that folder. Okay, so right now it is copying those files to the website. And we'll just give it a moment here and then we'll go see if it was successful. Okay, so at the end it usually says something like this: 29 matches total, depending on the number of files, and then you can see them here in that folder. Okay, so now let's go to this website. Let's see, it's world-traveler.info. Okay, so we're going to go to that website, worldtraveler.info/demo, and let's see if it's there. And indeed it is. You can see the site was uploaded just now, and it's already got AdSense ads showing up related to our topic. You can see these are all travel insurance ads here. You've got more travel insurance ads, search box, and even down here in the link units you've got travel insurance there as well. So there it is. That's how to upload a website using FTP, and hope you have great success with it. Thanks a lot.